To work legally in Thailand, you need a work permit, but the application process to get one can feel overwhelming. If you are unfamiliar with the country's legal system and the application process, it can be easy to make a mistake that delays or even jeopardizes your new position. The good news is Siam Legal understands what you are facing, and we're here to guide you through every step of the way. I'm Pear from Siam Legal, and in this video, we'll be breaking down how you can successfully apply for a Thai work permit. We will cover what the Thai work permit is, the requirements you must meet to qualify for one, and a walkthrough of each step of the application process. Let's get started. If you plan to work in Thailand, having a Thai work permit is a must, as it allows you to work legally in the country and avoid penalties or other legal complications. Under Thai law, all foreigners are required to secure a work permit before starting any form of employment. To begin, you will first need a Thai non-immigrant visa. The most common options include the Thailand Business Visa, which is for foreigners seeking employment with a Thai company or planning to run their own business in Thailand. There's also the Thailand Marriage Visa for foreigners who are married to a Thai national. And finally, the Long-Term Resident Visa, also known as the LTR, which is for highly skilled professionals seeking employment in targeted industries in Thailand. Each visa has specific eligibility criteria, so you will need to choose the one that best fits your situation. For the business visa, you need either a job offer from a Thai company, or if you have started your own business in Thailand, you can employ yourself. However, self-employment requires providing extensive documentation about your company. For the marriage visa, you must provide proof of marriage to a Thai citizen, such as your marriage certificate. And for the LTR visa, you must meet several requirements including minimum monthly income, health insurance coverage, and minimum education qualifications. Here are the key things you need to know about Thai work permits. First, you cannot apply without a job offer. Work permits require sponsorship from a Thai company, as the permit is directly linked to your employer and specific job position. Second, your permit is tied to your employer and location. If you lose your job, you lose your permit. Even if you transfer to another branch of the same company, you'll need to update your work permit with the new location details. Third, there are employer responsibilities when employment ends. If you resign or are laid off, your company must cancel your work permit and return it to the Ministry of Labor within 15 days of your last day of work. And finally, work permits are not travel documents. Your work permit does not affect your legal stay in Thailand. That's determined by your visa. Always check your visa expiry date separately, as work permit and visa expiry dates are usually different. The application requires extensive documentation, but your employer will provide significant support. Your employer will provide you with a job offer letter and employment contract, as well as company registration documents proving the business is a legitimate registered entity. You'll need to provide your own set of documents, which includes signed copies of your passport biodata and Thai visa pages, your educational credentials such as your degree, transcript, certificates, and professional licenses, your current Thai visa, and a comprehensive CV or resume detailing your work history, including positions, duties, performance, duration, and locations of employment. You'll also need recent passport-size photos that were taken within the past 6 months. If you're married to a Thai national, you will need marriage documentation including your marriage certificate, your spouse's Thai ID card, household registration, and children's birth certificates if applicable. Now, here's an important note on document preparation. Some documents may require certification by your country's embassy and legalization by Thailand's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Additionally, you may need professional Thai translations of these documents, as requested by the Thai government officials. Where you submit your application depends on your employer's status. For most companies, you'll submit to the Ministry of Labor. For BOI-approved companies, you'll submit to the Board of Investment, also known as the BOI. Here is a critical timing consideration you need to know. The Labor Department system links your non-immigrant visa to your work permit application. Your visa must remain valid throughout the entire processing period. Make sure your visa doesn't expire before processing is complete. When it's time to receive your work permit, an in-person appearance is required. You must personally appear at the Labor Department with your passport to sign your work permit book in front of Labor Department staff. For final approval, after signing, the department will stamp your work permit to confirm it has been processed and approved. Now, if your employer is BOI approved, there's a digital option available. You can visit the One-Stop Service Center in Bangkok to obtain a digital work permit. This convenient alternative allows you to access your work permit through a mobile app instead of carrying a physical book or card. Securing the right visa and work permit is a crucial step towards starting your professional journey in Thailand. And Siam Legal is here to make that process as smooth and stress-free as possible. We are a full-service law firm and visa consultancy with over 20 years of experience in helping both local and foreign clients with their immigration and legal needs. Whether you are applying for a Thailand business visa, marriage visa, LTR visa, or any other type of visa, Siam Legal provides assistance tailored to your specific needs. By entrusting us with your work permit application, you can avoid potential delays caused by incorrect submissions and prevent disruptions to the start of your career in Thailand. If you have any further questions regarding how to obtain a work permit or visa in Thailand, please contact us via the links in the description. Like and subscribe for more insights into Thai law, and thank you for watching our video. สวัสดีค่ะ
Greetings from Bangkok. I'm Ivy, head of the Thai Visa Department here at Siam Legal. My team and I are excited to help you start your new chapter in Thailand. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.